Welcome to Learning English with Leanne, Help with Writing. This video will help you to use sequence words for order of events. This is for Certificate 2 Intermediate English students. Sequence words. Start your sentences with next, after that, then. Also you can use and then. There are two ways to use and then. You can have them in the middle of your sentence to join two actions. For example, we found a good restaurant and then made a booking for dinner. Or you can start with it. And then we found a good restaurant and made a booking. Also, you can use after plus a noun. Example of that, after work, after breakfast, after dinner. Also use when plus a clause, so you can see the examples. When the movie finished, the clause, the movie finished, we went window shopping. Or when the class started, I was feeling terrible, so. Try to use these sequence words in your writing. Here's some examples of using them in a written text. We decided to go out for dinner, so we made a booking at our favourite restaurant. Then I rang our friends to see if they'd like to join us. After that, we got dressed and drove to the restaurant. A new paragraph. When we arrived, it was very busy, so we had to wait for our table. We chatted with our friends and then we were shown to our table. The food and service was fantastic. A new paragraph. After dinner, we went for a walk and found a great place to have coffee. You can see we've used different sequence words in our writing. We don't like to repeat in English, so try to use a good mix of different sequence words in your writing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. To subscribe, press the button in the corner. Thank you.